In yet another example of COVID mismanagement from Karnataka, where pigs were found roaming in the corridors of Kalaburagi District COVID Hospital. After the video of the pigs went viral, the DC has ordered that the pigs should be tranquilized and shifted out of the hospital. Cops are on the lookout for the shepherd who brought the pigs to the hospital. Excuse me, I'm joined by my colleague Neha Hebale on this. Neha, so this seems to be another instance where there's mismanagement on the part of the authorities. Now, pigs are found roaming around in a COVID care hospital in Kalaburagi district, and this even as the number of COVID cases are spiking across the state of Karnataka. And here we can see that even basic hygiene standards are not being maintained inside hospitals.
Well, that's absolutely right, Tanima. Very shocking coming to light here that, a government hospital is not even being able to maintain the basic hygiene. You have nearly, of course, from what the police tell us over there in Kalaburagi, about 50 pigs that were just roaming around in the corridors of this hospital in a very unhygienic manner, of course, So this is something that will definitely have to be looked into. This is only going to be mounting on Karnataka's COVID mess that we're actually looking at. And, of course, Tanima, while this is, a very unique incident where we are seeing pigs roaming around in the corridors of this hospital, it is imperative to point out over here to our viewers that in the past, we have brought multiple instances of how patients have highlighted the poor infrastructure inside COVID wards, of how they've highlighted, several issues with regard to hygiene inside the COVID wards, be it, in the ward itself, or be it with regard to, of course, the common washroom facilities in these wards. So this is not something that, you would expect from a state like Karnataka that was, in fact, leading in the COVID fight across the country. Karnataka was, in fact, the model state also for many other states to follow suit initially in the beginning of the COVID fight. But now it seems like, as the number of cases have only been on a rise, and as of course the COVID mess is only going on to get worse in the state, that the government is slowly losing grip of the situation with something as unhygienic as this coming to light here.
Right, those visuals actually speaking for itself, Neha, where we can see pigs roaming around in the hospital corridors there, and the authorities only waking up after this video goes viral. Neha, thank you so much for joining us with that update.